You're about to see breaking news that will shock you. Robinhood, once the symbol of meme stock mania, is now rewriting the rules of finance. From crypto staking to prediction markets, this company just became one of the best performing stocks of the entire S&P 500. But the real story isn't just about a stock rally. It's about a total transformation of how money, markets, and even elections are traded.
Let's talk about what I was just mentioning on Robinhood, really the epitome of all the bullishness we have seen in markets. How much longer can this continue? Hard question, but maybe not so hard.
Well, I don't think it's a hard question. There's this desire to say the market's up big. There must be a lot of speculation, and therefore, things look expensive. But in reality, the markets are up because earnings are up. If you look at the suite of tech companies, which is about 45% of the market, they're up 27% this year, which is an enormous number. 22% of that 27 is in better earnings. And so as long as the underlying businesses that are driving these stocks are doing well, and there's all indications they will, then the market goes higher. The other thing you were mentioning Robinhood, but the financials are experiencing terrific success in this environment. The financials I think are growing year over year at something like 23 to 24%. The rest of the market, and you're talking about what about the general households, typical consumer stocks, typical industrial companies, energy, staples, and the like, they're up only 2 to 4%. So it's really two entirely separate stories driving the market.
That report highlights exactly why Robinhood has become the epicenter of market optimism. Their crypto trading revenue is up more than 300% year over year, and their expansion into Europe through Bitstamp could make them one of the first major U.S. fintechs to merge banking, investing, and crypto under one roof. But the biggest surprise? Prediction markets. They've doubled trading volume every quarter, from sports to politics to economics, turning speculation itself into an investable asset class. This isn't gambling, it's data monetization. When millions of users wager on real-world outcomes, it creates a live, crowd-driven index of public sentiment. That kind of data could reshape not just trading, but forecasting, polling, and even policy decisions.
Out of Robinhood, and of course, like I mentioned, Coinbase about a week ago, a strong quarter of their own. It's crypto. We've seen crypto move up and to the right pretty much all year. It's had a pullback the past 2 weeks, but by and large, this is going to likely go down as a very good year for all things crypto.
100%. Robinhood is crypto trading revenue was up over 300% year over year. They have tools like crypto staking, Bitstamp. That's the exchange, the European crypto exchange that they acquired last year. That's integral to their push into Europe. Tokenized stocks in Europe, those products that they're offering there. They are firing on all cylinders when it comes to crypto. And I will say that also their banking rollout as well, those banking features as well. I was talking to an EY blockchain analyst yesterday that was telling me crypto platforms are becoming more like banks. Banks are becoming like crypto platforms. This is the sort of vision of Robinhood. In 10 years, they want about half the revenue to come from outside the US, and they want everyone to put all their assets into their wallets, their Robinhood wallets, and to be investing and saving and everything all in one place. And these are some of the features that they've been one after the other rolling out over the last year, and this is why you're seeing the stock. It's been the best performer of the S&P 500 this year, and it was just included in the S&P 500 in September.
This is TheCryptagon. Stay sharp, stay informed.